Personal statement mistakes can damage your image, so it's important to know these mistakes to avoid. Focusing too much on your achievements. While it's important to highlight your accomplishments, it's equally important to share why those achievements are important to you and how they have shaped your personal and academic goals. Using clichés or generic language. Avoid overused phrases and try to use specific and personal language that showcases your unique perspective and voice. Being too vague or general. Be specific about what you want to achieve and how you plan to do it. Don't be afraid to give concrete examples of how you have pursued your goals in the past. Ignoring the prompt. Make sure to read and understand the prompt carefully and answer it fully. Avoid going off topic or rambling. Failing to proofread. Grammatical errors, typos, and other mistakes can be distracting and give the impression that you didn't take the time to carefully review your work. Overusing quotes or references. While it can be effective to include quotes or references, don't rely too heavily on them. Make sure they are relevant and support your argument, rather than simply taking up space. Focusing on negative experiences or attitudes. While it's okay to mention difficult experiences or challenges you've faced, try to maintain a positive and optimistic tone throughout your personal statement. Focus on how you overcame those challenges and grew as a result. Making it all about yourself. While a personal statement is meant to be personal, it's important to also consider how you can contribute to the broader community or field you're interested in. Show how your goals align with those of the organization or institution you're applying to, and how you can make a positive impact.